Hello, it's Jessamine County Emergency Management Director Johnny Adams. This morning we're doing a test of our National Weather Service severe weather warning sirens. The siren you see behind me will be activating at 10:07 this morning as part of a statewide tornado drill. As you can see, the audible cone of the siren rotates 360 degrees. It will do this and then oscillate back. The intention of these sirens are an outdoor warning siren. The operation of these sirens make the distribution of the sound louder in some points than they are at others. So we ask you, Jessamine County, are you ready for severe weather? Do you have a plan?